Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Kid39 and welcome to a Minecraft video, and it's Christmas! Woo! And in this video I'm going to be joined by someone who hasn't been in my video on this channel but has been on videos in my Kid39 channel, and it's come back Kid39!
Yay! I actually got gold back, yay! After like, what, 5 months? After 5 months of rehab, Adam has come back. Stronger, faster, smarter. This is home sweet home. So I basically built a cottage, so yep, this is it. No, actually it's
I have a present Santa cutting.
It seems to be Christmas Eve right now, so
in Minecraft.
Sun's going down. Yeah, in Minecraft, it's actually Christmas Day. So, yeah.
Halfway through Christmas Day for you, but Christmas Day is over for me now.
Alright, just look down right now. Just look down. And just walk into the house, okay? Just look down and just, like,
tell me where the door
me.
is. This is health. This is a health and safety.
Just keep going straight. Just keep, yeah. Oh, no, turn. Here, wait. Let me lead you there. You'll just find on the floor. Alright, and then just go straight until you hit the thing, and then you can look. Alright, just go straight. Now you can look just to your side. Yeah, that.
Bunk
there.
Bed. Oh.
Yeah, one bed. Alright, just go sleep.
What's that present?
No, your present is under your chest. That's one of your presents. Alright, I'm gonna take the bottom bunk, cause, yeah.
Yeah, I turned daylight cycle off. Because it's still night. Oh no, it's not.
Yeah.
I kind of stood up. Hell, I can't get out of bed this morning.
With a little bit of editing magic,
guys,
we can teleport.
It is Christmas now.
Yay! Pat's chest doesn't matter anymore. Oh,
wow.
He isn't here. That's just sad because look at his chest. Look what it says. Look at the second item. I had to pass.
Alright, I'll look into my chest.
Under your chest. Oh, sorry, I'm gonna have to pick him up because I forgot. I tamed him. Alright.
Oh, nice.
Come here, dog that's never been.
You even got everything I wanted for Christmas. Oh,
I'm trying to get
that on.
I'm trying to get the stupid dog to move.
Let's put the home kit on.
Alright, take a look at the dog. Just hover over it and just see. Just from a distance.
Oh! Wow. What's the cat called? Mr. Wilkinson.
I even got you an Xbox One. Did you see that? But
yeah.
I didn't put Xbox One. I put Xbox Juan. You know. And I also got Mr. Wilkinson's cat and realized I don't have a pet. You know, like.
Well, wait. You will have a pet soon.
So I'm spawning with a bit of
no, wait,
magic.
Don't come to me yet.
No, I'm just writing a name in.
Don't come on the roof yet. If this won't work. This better work.
Yes, this will be the name of the horse. This will be the best horse ever. Right, I'm coming outside. I'm not looking. Alright. I'm just going over here.
Just don't look on the roof.
Not gonna. See, thing is, everyone else knows, but I don't. No, I don't like you. You look ugly. You're a donkey.
In fact, I'm not gonna do it on the roof. I'm gonna do it this. In fact, no, I'm not gonna do it on. In fact, I'll do it on top of this tree.
Make up your mind. Come on.
There we go. Your Christmas presents up here on the tree. Teleport to me.
Wait, and I'm getting something. Yes, you will be the one. You will be the Juan.
You'll be the Juan. And then look at the name. Oh,
Hang on.
oh no, it's dying! 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 Ah, oh wow, it died.
What was it? Don't tell me actually
Your
yet.
present.
Just
Right,
spawn
I'm
in
just
a
gonna
new
spawn
one.
it.
Why
Yeah,
is the
here.
house flooded?
I don't know. Just don't ask me about that. I didn't mean to. I was trying to put the present out. Right here.
I just
Right,
look up
at
and I'm
him.
like, the frick did
Yeah,
you
come over
do?
here. Come over here.
Hang
Come
on,
over
hang
here
on,
before
hang
he
on,
dies.
hang on. Before it dies. What? Okay. Wait. Oh, stupid new keys.
Oh, it died.
Wait, where is it?
It's just down here, like outside the house. Just come, teleport to me.
Yeah,
Right, come on.
a squid. I lost a squid. Best name ever. I actually got a horse, and don't look at the name yet, just yet. I need to learn English someday. Think I do, because don't do this yet, someday yet. I cannot speak. I just can't. I might have to go back to the first grade.
Oh wow.
I can't speak!
Oh, I ain't gonna discard all the presents. Why would I do that? What are presents? Steak, the away kit, and that's all my presents. Woohoo!
From
So yeah, guys,
Santa.
in this
Wait, do you want to see
video-
the? Do you want to see my new horse's name?
Uh-huh. I can't see it because you need to get off the horse. What? Wow.
What?
Truman.
Truman. Yep. It's the best name ever.
Oh yeah! Oh, don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die, don't
Here,
die.
no, I got him. I got him. Right here. I'm going to lead. Come on. Place. Ta-da!
Okay, guys. So this
Christmas
is my house for
miracle.
now, but I am gonna make a nice Christmas cottage. Also, guys, I was gonna do the Christmas special inside of Apple Empires, but not many people online. Yeah, I was gonna have a massive Christmas party.
I'm just gonna ping these horses off with my new bow, which has every enchantment that you can have for a weapon. Because yeah.
Alright. Whoa! Why are you killing all the horses?
Because I spawned too many. It's not realistic, man.
It can be whatever it wants.
I'm even gonna kill the foal. Die!
What?
Die!
Okay.
Die!
So
You are an immortal
am gonna
horse.
make myself a Christmas cottage, which will be nice. But in fact, I don't know. Let's just make loads of candy canes. I like candy canes.
I like the cherry candy canes. Those ones are better. I don't know why, but I don't really like the regular ones. I like the cherry
What?
though, you know? Just like, you know the multicolored ones?
Oh yeah, yeah. I love
Yeah, those are the, I only like those. I don't really like the mints. I mean, I like the mints, but they're just not flavored. They just don't have a good taste. Do you like how I did
Yeah,
the
we have
smoke,
our
by the way?
food critic, everyone.
I'm gonna build you a present. Alright? I'm gonna build it in the desert.
Okay, I am gonna make. I don't know what to make.
Oh! Goodbye! I'm the only one anymore.
Also, guys, like I said in my vlog this morning, I am going to be doing a Let's Play on Skyrim starting tomorrow as I'm recording this, which is Boxing Day. And before you ask, it's not where we all go to boxing matches and murder each other and kick crap out of each other.
It's a fun day. Bring the family along.
Yeah. And then when it's Boxing Day, we literally laugh at this world to death because we're unboxing all the presents and like throwing everything away that's been involved with Christmas.
Yeah. Even though I was the happiest person alive. Nope, Scrooge now.
Oh, I don't have the festive skin pack anymore.
I do.
Do you?
Yeah, you still keep it.
What?
Don't you still keep it? Wait.
Oh no, that was on my PlayStation. Completely different. I thought you were getting a PS4.
I didn't. But I still like Christmas.
I was meant to get a PS4 last year, but I got Xbox.
Well, that was a smart choice. Nice. I got Battlefield 4. And
I got
Hitman the
Halo,
Trilogy.
beat that.
I got also Hitman the Trilogy.
I've got Hitman Absolution.
Yeah, I got the trilogy of the first 3, like the actual good ones, you know, like the contracts, the.
Wait, is it online? Is it online? I only have my gold till February.
No, it isn't online, but.
Right guys, probably in 10 minutes. And I think we should build a Christmas tree.
I'm gonna build a surprise.
I need a decent location to build the Christmas tree. Right, I'm building the Christmas tree. You can see if you like it when you come back. If you don't like it, you can just burn the Christmas tree to death.
That's just mean. I've set up I have the perfect thing for you. All you have to do is press one button.
What? TNT explode?
No.
Alright. Let's change.
No, why would we ever have TNT exploding on this channel?
Because I like encouraging back now, joking, I don't like encouraging back TNT. Also, kids, do not use TNT, because, yeah, it can kill you and it'll harm you to death. And probably kill you. In Minecraft, anyway, and probably in real life.
In real life, they might as well have set off a nuke. Like, nuke! Hit the deck!
Oh, I can't wait to end this video. Oh, I want to come see the gift. Or whatever you're building, I don't know. I really can't build Christmas trees.
I know.
You know what, guys? To save time on building a Christmas tree, I'm gonna have a picture coming on the screen now of a Christmas tree built in so then I don't have to build it myself. It'll only be there for a couple of seconds. Right, so yeah,
we're gonna fast forward time now.
The picture will come on screen now, but obviously not on screen right now, but on screen right now because I'll do that when I'm in editing. So yeah, and when this reaches now, it will be on. So I'm just gonna put a note on that. Sorry.
Hey, my surprise is ready. So you're coming to me now.
Oh my god. I was only writing 13 minutes.
Pull this lever. Pull this lever. No questions. Wait. Pull this lever. No questions.
But what?
Just pull that lever. No questions.
Right. What do we do now?
See, it's a trick.
This is TNT. What?
See, it's not supposed to work. Because logic. Yeah.
Oh, I'm definitely not holding TNT. Woo! Destroy the Christmas! Be a Scrooge! Wow! Best Christmas ever! Ah, that is really glitchy TNT.
Well, at least for you it is. For me it isn't.
Oh, come on, you've got the best connection ever. You're in friggin' America, I'm in England.
And that matters.
Lag?
I guess.
But anyway, you guys, I think we may have to end the Christmas special there.
Let's go back to the cottage.
I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas. Even if you don't celebrate Christmas, but I hope you have a good Christmas anyway. Depends where you are, anywhere where you are in the world. Hopefully you still have a good Christmas.
Have a happy Chanukah. That's all the holidays.
Alright.
All the holidays. Chanukah.
Alright.
There you go.
But anyway, you guys, I would like to thank you so much for watching. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed our Christmas special. And we'll see you later. Bye. Happy Christmas, Gilbert. Happy Christmas, John.
So this is Christmas.
Can I take
And what